and we are doing chapter 8.4. Okay, and today's all about fraction and whole number division, and that sounds quite similar to some of the learning goals we've had before, or the chapters we've had before, but today your learning goal is to be able to divide fractions and whole numbers by solving a related multiplication problem. Okay. It says 3 friends share a 1/4 pound package of beads equally. What fraction of a pound of beads does each friend get? What are we trying to find, Arushi? Yeah, we want to figure out how much of the whole package, what fraction of the whole package each friend will get. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw a picture. Now, why did I draw a picture here of a rectangle divided into 4 equal parts? And why are you drawing a rectangle divided into 4 equal parts? Why would we be drawing that, Rashika? Yeah, so we have a whole package. This whole rectangle that you're drawing represents the whole entire package. But do we have that whole package to share? No, the friends only have this 1/4, this one section here, to share. If 3 friends are sharing this 1/4 of a package equally, how many parts do I have to divide this 1/4 into? Adam?
3 parts.
3 equal parts. So let's go ahead and divide them into 3 equal parts across the whole thing. Okay, now friend number 1 would get this part of the package, friend number 2 would get this part, and friend number 3 would get this part. So we're really doing 1/4 divided by 3, aren't we? Now, how much of the 1/4 will this friend get? What fraction of the 1/4 would this friend get? Sarah?
1/3.
This friend's actually getting 1/3 of 1/4 of the package. What do we know about the word of? Divina?
It's the same as multiplication.
So it's really 1/3 times 1/4, isn't it? So we know that 1/4 divided by 3, a related multiplication equation is what, Marcus? Brad had 9 pounds of ground turkey to make turkey burgers for a picnic. How many 1/3 pound turkey burgers can he make? I'm going to give you this much to begin with. I would like you to please model it in your notebook. Go ahead and draw. I've drawn 9 rectangles here, which shows my 9 pounds. How can I show a drawing that shows how many 1/3 pound turkey burgers Brad can make? If Brad wants to divide this burger into 1/3 pounds, how many burgers can I make out of this 1 pound of burger? Sidar? 3. I can divide it into 3 because this is 1/3 of a pound, this is 1/3 of a pound, and this is 1/3 of a pound, right? So I can make 3 burgers total there. And can I make 3 burgers total for each of these pounds?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So what would be a related, we're doing 9 divided into 1/3 pound sections. What's a related multiplication sentence then, Jason? I want you to explain to your table group right now, why is a related math multiplication sentence 9 times 3 compared to 9 divided by 1/3? This 9 divided by 1/3 is showing we're trying to find out how many 1/3 pound portions can fit into 9 pounds, right? And then, so by doing that, each pound becomes how many burgers? 3. So if we have each pound becoming 3 burgers and we have 9 pounds, we would of course do 9 times 3 to find out how many burgers we would get. And of course 9 times 3 is?
27.
Thank you. 27 burgers. Okay. So when I do 1/2 divided by 3, let's talk about this one first. Is the quotient going to get bigger or smaller than the dividend, and how do you know?
It's going to get smaller because you're taking 1/2 and you're breaking it into 3 smaller pieces.
Yeah, let's go ahead and model it out. Here's my 1/2, right, on the left side, and I want to break it into 3 smaller pieces. Divide it into 3 equal pieces. Is each of these pieces going to be bigger or smaller than 1/2? Go ahead. Smaller. So when I divide a fraction by a whole number greater than 1, the quotient is smaller than the dividend. Okay, we didn't even need to actually do any calculations to find that out. Now, Colin, if I have 3 and I wanted to find out how many half-size pieces fit in there, would the quotient be greater or smaller than the dividend?
It would be greater.
Yeah, because I have 1, 2, 3, and I want to find out how many half-size pieces fit in each one. So how many half-size pieces would there be? 6. So when I divide a whole number, which I have here, by a fraction less than 1, the quotient is greater than the dividend.